Craft and DIY books offer a wide range of creative ideas and projects for enthusiasts. They provide inspiration for individuals looking to engage in hands-on activities and express their creativity. These books cover various topics including woodworking, painting, sewing, and much more. They often include step-by-step instructions and detailed illustrations to guide readers through each project. Craft and DIY books are popular among both beginners and experienced hobbyists. They encourage people to explore their artistic side and learn new skills. Craft and DIY books offer a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when completing a project. They provide a way for individuals to personalize their surroundings and create unique items for themselves or as gifts. Craft and DIY projects can be a fun and rewarding way to relax and distress. They offer a creative outlet for individuals to express themselves and showcase their talents. Craft and DIY books foster a sense of community, as enthusiasts often share their projects and ideas with others. These books encourage individuals to think outside the box and come up with their own unique designs and ideas. Craft and DIY books provide guidance and tips to help readers troubleshoot any challenges they may encounter during their projects. They inspire individuals to think creatively and find innovative solutions to problems. They offer a platform for individuals to unleash their imagination and turn their ideas into reality. Craft and DIY books are a valuable resource for individuals looking to learn new skills and techniques. They offer a wide range of projects that cater to different interests and preferences. Craft and DIY books can be a source of inspiration for individuals looking to start their own business in the crafting industry. Craft and DIY books highlight the importance of sustainability and upcycling in the crafting world. They encourage individuals to repurpose materials and reduce their environmental impact through creative projects. Craft and DIY books showcase the endless possibilities of crafting and inspire individuals to experiment and try new things. Craft and DIY books have a long history that can be traced back to ancient civilizations. In those early days, craft knowledge was passed down through generations by word of mouth or through small communities of artisans. However, with the invention of the printing press in the 15th century, craft and DIY knowledge began to be recorded in books. One of the key books that made a significant impact on the genre is The Art of Needlework, by Elizabeth Stone, published in 1840. This book provided detailed instructions and patterns for various needlework techniques, making it accessible to a wider audience. Another influential book is The Craftsman, by Gustav Stickley, published in 1901. This book emphasized the importance of craftsmanship and DIY as a way to reconnect with nature and escape the industrialization of society. In the 1970s, the craft and DIY movement experienced a revival with books like The Complete Book of Crochet, by Elizabeth L. Matheson, and The Complete Book of Macrame and Tatting, by Adele C. G. Blair. These books popularized these specific crafts and inspired many people to pick up the needle and thread. Today, craft and DIY books have evolved to encompass a wide range of topics and techniques. There are books that focus on specific crafts like knitting, sewing, woodworking, and painting, as well as books that explore the intersection of crafting and sustainability or mental health. This genre continues to grow and adapt to the changing interests and needs of crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Before we delve into the recommendations, let me share some tips for choosing the right books as a beginner. Firstly, start with books that provide a general overview of the craft or DIY topic you are interested in. Look for books that have clear instructions and step-by-step tutorials specifically designed for beginners. It's also helpful to consider books that include projects with a range of difficulty levels, so you can start with simple projects and gradually progress to more challenging ones. Additionally, checking reviews and ratings of the books can give you an idea of their quality and usefulness. Don't be afraid to borrow books from the library or try out e-books before making a purchase. Lastly, take into account your personal preferences and learning style when choosing books. Some people prefer highly visual books with lots of photos, while others prefer more text-based resources. Craft and DIY books are a valuable resource for experienced crafters. These books go beyond the basics and provide in-depth techniques and projects. They allow crafters to explore new techniques and materials, pushing the boundaries of their craft and expanding their creativity. Craft and DIY books dedicated to specific crafts like pottery, jewelry making, paper crafting, leatherworking, and more are a great way to learn and explore your creative side. These books provide step-by-step instructions, tips, and techniques for each craft, allowing you to create beautiful and unique pieces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there's a book for everyone. Delve into the world of pottery, jewelry making, paper crafting, leatherworking, and more, and showcase your creativity with these diverse options. Craft and DIY books for children are a fantastic way to engage young minds, promoting creativity and hands-on learning. Let's explore the benefits of involving kids in craft projects at an early age. First, it promotes creativity and imagination, allowing children to think outside the box and come up with unique and inventive ideas. Next, engaging in craft projects enhances fine motor skills as children manipulate various materials and tools. It also encourages self-expression, providing a creative outlet for children to express their thoughts and emotions. Additionally, craft projects foster problem-solving abilities as children face challenges and find creative solutions. Finally, engaging in craft projects improves patience and perseverance as children learn to follow instructions and complete projects. Involving children in craft projects at an early age is not only fun but also provides numerous educational and developmental benefits. Craft and DIY books for home decor projects offer a wide range of ideas and inspiration. From furniture renovations to stunning wall art, these books can help individuals transform their living spaces. With tips and techniques for repurposing old furniture and creating unique decorative items, individuals can give their homes a personal touch. Dive into the world of crafting and DIY to discover how to make your living spaces truly extraordinary. Craft and DIY books are a valuable source of inspiration and guidance when it comes to upcycling and recycling. They provide step-by-step instructions and creative ideas for transforming waste materials into useful and beautiful items. These books cover a wide range of crafts, from repurposing furniture to creating unique jewelry pieces. They also offer tips on sourcing materials sustainably and reducing waste in the crafting process. Whether you're new to crafting or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, these books have something to offer for everyone. If you're looking for craft and DIY books that are dedicated to seasonal projects, you're in luck. These books are a great source of inspiration for holiday decorations and themed crafts. They offer a wide range of project ideas and step-by-step instructions for creating beautiful and unique decorations for different seasons. From handmade ornaments to festive wreaths and centerpieces, these books provide detailed tutorials for every type of seasonal project. Not only do they cover holiday decorations, but they also feature fun and creative crafts that can be enjoyed by both children and adults alike. You'll find ideas for making handmade cards, personalized gifts, and even homemade costumes for seasonal events. With these books, you'll have everything you need to celebrate and create during different seasons. Craft and DIY books that push the boundaries of traditional crafting feature unique and innovative approaches to crafting. They explore the use of unusual materials, experiment with new and experimental techniques, and present unconventional project ideas. These books are perfect for those looking to take their crafting to the next level.